Find or read reviews that people are talking about SUMMERBUDDY Pool Winterizing Kit for above ground pool. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Effortless pool opening. Be ready for next summer with ease. This 4-in-1 solution handles 15,000 gallons, eliminating complex cleaning routines. Save time and effort with no need for extra pool cleaning tools. Pure and fresh. Keep your pool crystal clear and odor-free. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and slippery surfaces, ensuring a delightful swimming experience every time. Aesthetic maintenance. Maintain a pristine and beautiful pool, adding to the charm of your outdoor space. Enjoy the visual appeal of a pool that stays as clean as the day it was filled. Balanced pool environment. Achieve a perfectly balanced pool environment. Prevent common pool issues and enjoy a smooth, worry-free swim season. Effective and safe. Trust in our professional-grade formula with a high efficiency rate of equal or over 99.7%. Gentle on your pool liner and walls, one full application provides 3 months of protection. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.